Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can freeze a row in Excel sheet. For instance, I have this data in this Excel. It's data about companies and the amount of money they've made in the past 9 years or so. What I want to do is to freeze this upper row where you've got the company names, or rather where you have the header of this data. What I want to achieve is this. When you scroll up, you see we lose the years when this money was made. So we are going to freeze it so that when we scroll up, these years will still remain in the view. How we can do it is this. You can highlight this row, click on view, and go to freeze pens. Click on it. Here you can see it is row 3 that we highlighted. Just click on it, and now let us test what we did. Let's scroll up. As you can see, the row is still in the view. So that's how you can freeze a row in an Excel sheet. I hope this has been helpful. If you want to unfreeze it, it's also quite easy. Just have it highlighted, click on view, go back to freeze pens, and unfreeze pens. You see? So now we have unfrozen it. I hope this has been helpful. Please, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel? Thank you.